This is a review for the COSORI TurboBlaze air fryer. I was gifted this by the brand about 2 weeks ago, and this is the first air fryer I've ever used in my life, and I am absolutely loving this. I want to give you a quick rundown on the features of this air fryer and also show you a demo of how to make cinnamon rolls. So here's what the top of it looks like. You've got your temperature, your time, you can adjust those here. And it's actually considered a 9-in-1 appliance because it's got all of these other options that you can choose from. And if you're not quite sure which one to choose, it comes with this super helpful book. So it does have some recipes in it, but the best part is it has this cheat sheet, and this is kind of what I've been going off of. It tells you how to cook different types of things. So I've roasted some potatoes, and I referenced this vegetable section here. I did some frozen chicken nuggets the other day, and so it tells you exactly how to do that. Right now, I'm about to do cinnamon rolls, and so I'm gonna actually follow the instructions here for cinnamon rolls. It says to put it on the bake setting at this temperature for that amount of time. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I'm gonna hit bake, and it says to bake for 330. Okay, so it's already set for 12 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna take it down to about 13 minutes. Look how big this drawer is. This can fit enough food to feed a family of 4 or 5. And although it takes up some counter space, it may actually allow you to get rid of some other appliances. If you have a toaster oven or a toaster, you might not need those anymore if you have this COSORI air fryer. So here's my cinnamon rolls ready to go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop them into the air fryer, and we already have our settings good. So I'm just gonna hit start and let them cook. So I want to show you here what it sounds like when it's actually cooking. This right here is where the air blows, and this is what it sounds like. It's just kind of like a light hum. And also I just want to mention that air is not super hot, so it's not heating up my kitchen like my oven does, which is one of the perks that I love the most about using this air fryer. So when it's done, it'll say end, and it will start beeping at you, and you know it's finished. And look at these golden brown cinnamon rolls. They were super fast to make, and my kids are gonna love them. It's also super easy to clean thanks to this ceramic non-stick coating. You can just rinse it with water, dry it with a towel. You could also use a mild soap on it and a sponge if you need to, depending on what you've made, but you just wipe it dry, stick the grate back into the drawer, and put it back into the machine until the next use. From what I read on the reviews for this air fryer, the cooking on this is really precise, and I have found that to be the case for the handful of things that I've made over the last 2 weeks. And I love that it makes cooking a lot more efficient because I don't have to wait for it to heat up like I have to wait for my oven to get up to temperature before I can actually cook something, and it doesn't make my kitchen super hot like my oven does. This is going to be an amazing tool to have on my countertop this summer as well, because my kids are going to easily be able to throw hot dogs in there, chicken nuggets, toast for breakfast, you name it. They're going to be able to take care of their own food needs throughout the summer, and that's going to make my life a whole lot easier. If you've been on the fence about trying an air fryer, I highly encourage you to just take the plunge and give this COSORI air fryer a try. I think you're really going to enjoy it.